Let's talk about the decision making in economics. In economics, there is a concept known as decision making. Decision making has the very important and the central role in the economics. How the decisions are made and how this impact will be affected throughout the. So let us take about the greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases has its own effect and the impact on the climate change. Greenhouse gases are the gases which are from the from the emission of the gases from the different sources, from the vehicle, from the industries, and the overall the impact on the climate change and the environment and the global climate change. It has the very great impact. So overall, the greenhouses has the this. So the economist discussing on this in a very different way. Economists are the how they think and they provide the solutions to the problems which are the very critical and which has to be solved in a very clear form, so that can be understood in a clear form that the how the things are conforming or the impacting the overall climate change. When we understand this all in a very clear form, so we can conclude or we can lead to a point at which the everything has its own impact and the effect on the globe. So economists understand in a way that they can lead to a solution. So while taking an example, the cost should be less and the benefit must be more. When there is a cost weighted more than the benefit, so then there is a some of the thinking. So rationality and the important point to understand is that the economist try to understand the cost and the what are this its impact on the overall. When we understand this in a very clear form, so we can conclude that the how the things are been affected, how it is been implemented in a very clear form. So overall, the thing has to be understood that the the impact the impact should be less and the benefit must be more. When these things